unbag.com, and I have another Nadine West unbagging video for you. So let's see what is inside my pink Nadine West bag for this month. If you don't know, Nadine West is a clothing subscription membership, and I like to call it the affordable Stitch Fix alternative. So if Stitch Fix is a little pricey for you, I love Nadine West because the clothing items are all more affordable. And they pack this pink bag full of items. I've gotten like 10 to 11 items each time I've gotten a pink envelope. So you only keep what you love and you only pay for what you keep and you love. So let's take a look and see what I've got. If you have seen my Good Day Columbus segments the last 2 months, I've had Nadine West shirts on. That's how much I love these clothes. And it's a great combination of classic pieces and trendy pieces. You do a little style quiz to let them know what kind of things you like, and then you get your things sent to you every month. So once again, they have sent me a pair of some striped pants, these comfortable waistband. This is my third pair, so I'm a little over the striped pants. However, this pair looks like it's going to fit me better in the length because I am short. The last 2 pair I've got have been too long for me. But this pair looks like it's going to fit me really well in the length. So I love them. They are super comfortable and they are very on trend. So we love the long pants. So Nadine West is going to send you a combination of pants and dresses and shirts and accessories. And generally you get between 8 and 12 pieces in each bag. So this is this is a top. This is sort of one of those cold shoulder style tops, and it's like a t-shirt material, maybe just a little heavier. And it has a little ruffle on it. Can you see? All right, so I do think I'm gonna like that. Has a waist, or has a band around the waist. So definitely love the gray color. That could be a staple. So we've got lots of items that can become like staples in your wardrobe. Pieces that you layer with. We've got a pair of leggings here. These are sort of athletic leggings with this blue stripe. Actually, what I love about this is the color of my son's high school, my kid's high school. So I could see wearing this to one of their games. So have to try those on. You know, I'm not really a leggings gal, but these seem really comfortable. So I might really like those. We've got some floral shirts, so you get to choose if you like florals or stripes or animal prints and that kind of thing. And they match you to what you have told them in your style analysis. Love this. Okay, so it's super soft, and I love the details on some of these shirts that come from Nadine West. So this has like a little cap sleeve with this lattice work on it. So I do love that. I've gotten some that have the knot in the front, or just some of those little details that make it more than just a floral shirt. So definitely like this one. And can see I have a green cardigan, so I could wear this in the winter as well as in the springtime. And we've got another floral shirt here. This one is long sleeved. I do like red. And see, again, we've got some of that detail with the lattice work on the back. We've got long sleeves on this one. So again, we could almost wear this for Christmas with the red and the green on it. And it's a nice, another thing I love about their pieces is the material is super soft and nice, so it's always comfortable. The clothing is always very comfortable. Let's see what else is in my bag. So this bag is what you use when you're going to return things. So you want to make sure that you hold on to the pink bag because that's how you're going to return things. There's a label inside that tells you how much all the items cost, and it has a return label too so that you can return them. This is a waffle knit, and it is like a sweatshirt, like oversized sweatshirt waffle knit. I'm not usually a fan of this color, but just on my skin tone. But this is super soft. Oh my goodness. I wish you could feel this. Super soft. This waffle knit is very trendy right now too, this kind of material. So I definitely think this one could be a keeper. Let's see what else. Oh, okay, so jewelry. Jewelry also comes from Nadine West, and they come in these cute little pink bags. So necklaces, earrings, bracelets. I just dropped a pair of earrings. So we've got a necklace in here. This one is gold. Okay, this one is a little blingy. It's got a little rhinestone on it, but that would be very nice, like on a black dress for holiday party, something like that. And I also like, their necklaces almost always have like an adjustable length on them. So I really like that. That way you can stack necklaces together. This next one looks kind of interesting. It's a larger necklace. And it is gold and silver and very trendy looking here. Oh, there we go. So, oh, it has this. I think I have it flipped. Okay. Live video here happening. Live unbagging of my Nadine West. Okay. It is all twisted up, but you get the picture. I do think that, again, on like a black sweater or a solid color, actually last time I got sort of like a deep plum colored shirt, this might really pop. So very unique. I've never seen a piece like that before. So I do like that the jewelry pieces sometimes are classic and sometimes they're kind of trendy. I'm gonna love these. I got a pair of silver earrings last time that, again, I've worn those like a couple times a week since I got them. So I love those. And these are all three colors. Do you see? It's like rose gold, silver, and gold. Yes, love these, okay? So these are definitely going to become a pair that I wear. And let me get the other pair. They fell on the ground. So we have another pair of earrings. I've also gotten scarves before and hats. I got a really fun slouchy hat last time that I love. Oh, I like these too. So I really like the ones that have the things that have both silver and gold on them because I like to wear both. My wedding band has both in it, so I like to wear both silver and gold together. So I like these. This will actually match a necklace that I got last time from my Nadine West. And I have one more clothing item. Usually they send at least one dress. I had a dress last time that didn't really work for me, but this one I think is going to be very nice. Okay, so this is like a swing style, like sometimes you maybe hear them called skater dress, okay? And it's just a navy blue, nice navy blue, and it has pockets. We love pockets in a dress. So I think this one is going to be excellent. It's a stretchy t-shirt material. Love it. Okay, so I got a dress, I got 2 pairs of pants, 4 pieces of jewelry, and 4 shirts. That's a lot of clothing items, right? So I will be back in the video here so that I can show you a couple of the pieces and what they look like on. And you can let me know in the comments which of the pieces that you think you would keep, what items you've gotten from Nadine West that you love. So don't forget, if you have never tried Nadine West before, if you sign up using my referral link, you are going to get a $10 credit. And that $10 credit can go towards your purchase. You do have to pay a $9.95 shipping price for the items to be sent to you. But that $10 ends up getting applied to whatever items you keep. So you can look at the referral credit as being free shipping, free $10 towards your first purchase, all right? So be sure to sign up with my link if you haven't signed up before, and let's take a look at what my items look like on. overall from my latest Nadine West package, I think my favorite pieces are that white floral shirt with the cute sleeve details, the earrings, and of course this waffle knit shirt that is super cozy. So let me know what you think about the items I got in this shipment, and be sure to use my link to get that $10 off code for your first purchase.